Ever wondered how your favorite chocolate is made? Well, strap in, because we're about to take a sweet journey from tree to treat. The story of chocolate begins with the cacao tree, a tropical beauty that thrives near the equator. These trees bear large, colorful pods, each cradling a treasure trove of cacao beans. These beans are the core ingredient in your beloved chocolate. So next time you're enjoying a piece of chocolate, remember it all starts with a humble cacao tree somewhere near the equator. Now brace yourself as we delve into the magical transformation of cacao beans into that silky, smooth chocolate bar. It all starts in the tropics, where cacao trees bear football-shaped pods. These pods, when ripe, are harvested and cracked open to reveal cacao beans nested inside a sweet white pulp. These beans don't taste like chocolate just yet. They first need to ferment, a process where the pulp's sugars break down the beans' bitter flavors. After about a week, the beans are laid out to dry under the sun, kissed by the tropical breeze. Once dried, these beans are ready to embark on a journey across the globe to the factories. Upon arrival, they are roasted, a step that awakens the familiar chocolatey aroma. The beans are then cracked open and their nibs are ground into a paste. The heat from grinding transforms this paste into a flowing river of chocolate liquor. But hold your sweet tooth. This liquor is then pressed to separate cocoa solids and cocoa butter, the heart and soul of our beloved chocolate. The solids are processed into cocoa powder, while the butter gives chocolate its melt-in-your-mouth texture. The final stage is conching, where sugar, milk and other flavors are mixed in. This step determines whether you get a sweet milk chocolate, a bitter dark, or a creamy white bar. It's quite a journey, isn't it? From a bean to a bar, the making of chocolate is a process full of care, precision, and a sprinkle of magic. But wait, we're not done yet. Ever wondered how chocolate gets its shiny look and that satisfying snap when you break a piece? Well, it's all about tempering. Tempering is a meticulous process where chocolate is carefully heated, then cooled, and reheated again. This temperature roller coaster gives the chocolate that glossy finish and a snap that's music to a chocoholic's ears. It's a bit like giving the chocolate a spa day, a little heat therapy followed by a cool down. Now, once our chocolate is looking all shiny and feeling snappy, it's time for the grand finale, molding and packaging. It's poured into molds that shape it into the bars we all know and love. After it cools down and hardens, it's wrapped up and packaged, ready to make its way to the candy aisle. And there you have it. From a cacao tree to a perfectly packaged chocolate bar, ready to satisfy your sweet cravings. So the next time you unwrap a chocolate bar, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has been on.